Tax Collection Relief specializes in providing tax resolution services that you can trust. And in today's Local Business Spotlight, we're sitting down with Kim Miller to explain a little bit more about the business. Kim, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you, Jess.
All right, tell me a little bit more about what does Tax Collection Relief specialize in?
We specialize in offering to taxpayers peace of mind because it's very worrisome when you get those letters from the IRS or you feel the debt and the burden of owing the IRS.
Perfect. All right, we're talking about, of course, individuals who owe the IRS. Tell me a little bit more about what your client looks like and who your services are for.
Okay, so our client generally falls in several categories. One is they may not have filed for many, many years, and so they are feeling the worry that the IRS is eventually going to catch up with them. Or maybe the IRS has finally caught up with them and they now know they need to file those old returns. Another one is they filed, but they just owe the IRS and they don't know how to pay the IRS, or even if they still owe the IRS. So we help them with those types of situations. So we help all kinds of taxpayers, business taxpayers, personal taxpayers, anybody that has to file a tax return with the IRS.
So what are some of the benefits of using TCR?
Well, the biggest benefit is we understand the rules that the IRS uses to collect taxes. So we understand how to calculate when debts are due, we understand exactly how much should be due, we understand the penalty and interest function of it that the IRS uses in their arsenal to collect taxes.
All right, so what would you want those who need your service to know?
The main thing I want them to know is that we take their burden and their stress away, that we deal with the IRS on their behalf.
Perfect. Taking a lot of weight off those shoulders.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, tell me, is there ever a point where it's too late to call you for help?
No, it's never too late to call for help. We can help in many, many situations, and lots of times where people think it's too late, it's really not. There's so much that can still be done that the IRS has to follow when we contact them that they don't normally let anybody know about. The primary thing I want people to remember is they are not the only person that's ever found themselves in this situation, and they shouldn't be embarrassed to reach out for help. That we understand that things happen in life, and that's how this situation happened, but there's hope. You know, we can help them, we can negotiate with the IRS, we can make sure the taxes were just done right in the first place, that they actually do owe that amount, and then strive to negotiate the best deal with the IRS that we can.
Do you, I'm kind of putting you on the spot here, do you have like a little success story of anyone or an example to share?
We do. So just recently we had a taxpayer who sometimes when you don't file with the IRS will file a return for you.
Oh. And
and they file it in the worst possible light. And they said he made about $350,000, and he had about, when he came to see us, $150,000 he owed in tax from 2008. But because we understood the IRS rules, he didn't have to pay it. I was able to call the IRS, negotiate, because he's currently unemployed with COVID, that he couldn't pay his $150,000. And now, through careful planning, that debt will disappear this summer.
Perfect. All right, what is the best way to get started with you?
To call us at 805-4357 or contact us. You can look at our website, taxcollectionrelief.com.
All right, perfect. Kim, thanks so much for joining us. I know we're going to talk to you again soon.
Thank you.